Most people think winning an argument is about having the loudest voice, but when the pressure rises, your brain starts to red line. You feel it, don't you? That heat in your chest, that noise in your head. That's your shadow taking over. It wants to scream. It wants to burn the bridge just to feel the warmth. Stop. Take a breath. This is where the power shift begins. Look at the divide. On the left, chaos. High volume, zero logic. On the right, you. They're throwing everything at you. Insults, accusations, bait. They are starving for a reaction. Give them nothing. Just 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Silence is a mirror. When you don't react, the aggressor is forced to look at their own reflection. And they hate what they see. Eventually, they'll get desperate. They'll say, "You're not even listening." Don't defend yourself. Just reflect it back. "I'm not listening?" Watch what happens. When you repeat their words as a question, they have to explain themselves. And the more they explain, the more their logic starts to trip over its own feet. You aren't fighting them. You're letting them defeat themselves. Now, you hand the weight over. Instead of making a statement, ask for proof. How did you come to that conclusion? Or, can you help me understand why that's true? Suddenly, the burden isn't on you to defend, it's on them to prove. And most of the time, they can't. The noise is gone. The anger has evaporated. Winning isn't about crushing an opponent. It's about maintaining your frame so perfectly that the chaos has nowhere to land. Don't be the storm. Be the calm